Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to leave a workspace on Slack app. So let's get started. So currently I'm on desktop app. So first of all, you can see there is an option on the top left corner. So this is your workspace option. Here you can see all the workspace that you have joined in. So for example, I'll be choosing my another workspace. So to leave this workspace, all you need to do is click on this option, the main channel names option. So here you can see there is an arrow. So once this pops up, you can see there is an option called signed out. So once you click this, it will take you to the browser, and once that is done, you will be removed from that workspace. So this way you can leave a workspace on Slack app. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.